What's up guys, Coombsauto with another quick video. In this video we're going to show you where the battery is on the 5th generation Jeep Grand Cherokee, and that covers from 21 and up. So if you want to jump start the vehicle real quick, you got your positive, your negative here, and as you can see there's no battery here under the hood. So we got to go to behind the driver's seat, and it's gonna be under this thing here, and it's pretty easy to lift up. So let me show you what it looked like though before. So you're gonna have to remove this, which is pretty easy. All you need is just a little small screwdriver to unscrew it. You're gonna take that off, and then you're gonna just pry this open. Seem like it's hard, but just get like a screwdriver in there and it'll come right up out of there. And the battery is right underneath here.